Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, yes, today is 29th of October and the time is almost around 9:10 now. So I guess the pre-open data should be updated in NSE India website, so let me just check it and let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. No, it's not yet updated, so let me just refresh. So yes, the pre-open market data is still under update, and right now the market looks in a downtrend. Okay, so 0.78% down as of now. So once the pre-open market data is updated, we'll get to know where the Nifty 50 is opening and everything. So let's just refresh again, and yes, now the pre-open market order is now closed, and yes, the market is opening at 0.82% down, that is at 11,633.30. Okay, so the advanced stocks are only 4 and the declines are 46 stocks, and unchanged are 0. So if you see this data, you will come to know that a lot of stocks are opening in the downtrend today, that is the gap down section. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the upper trend, that is Axis Bank with 0.26% up, Asian Paint with only 0.21% up, Cipla with only 0.11% up. Let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down. LT with 3.34% down, Tata Motors with 1.59% down, and HDFC with 1.42% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market data is looking as of now. Okay, so just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be doing the live intraday trading, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, to trade I have selected Tata Steel today, and the market right now is minus 0.76% down, and I have selected Tata Steel to trade. So we'll see how the stock will perform, and once I take a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys. Right now I'm in a buy position of Tata Steel around 399. Okay, so it actually fluctuated very quickly, so I'm in a buy side on 399. So I'm planning to exit this around 401. Okay, so if it's 401, I'll book my target 400.95. As of now, it was a very quick movement which got executed. We can show you in a 1 minute candle chart here. Yes, so as you can see, it suddenly jumped. There is a gap here, and now it's continuing to go up. Yes, 401.20 now. Yes, the stock is going up. It was a very quick movement what we got here. Just in few minutes our target was achieved once we entered around 399. As you guys can see here, it went all the way up till 402.20, and now it's at 402. And yes, and I managed to exit somewhere around here, and I booked the profit. So this was the trade what I took today. This was a very quick trade what we did on Tata Steel, and we were able to book a profit. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And yes, it's breaking its own eye now, so 402.35 now. So let me just quickly put it to 15 minutes candle chart so that you get a overall view here. And yes, 402 now. So This is a Nifty 50 chart. This is how the market is looking right now. So yes, gap down today, so minus 0.77% somewhere, and then again it's recovering a bit. So it's not yet recovered a lot yet. So it has not even broke the first 15 minutes candle high, the Nifty 15. So it's still at minus 0.68%. We'll see how it will perform today. Okay, so even yesterday there was a downtrend yesterday, so I don't think so the downtrend will continue today. So anyway, our target is achieved, our trade was done. So yes, 402.45, it is continuing to go higher. So if all the stocks continue to go higher, the market will recover today and may go up. But anyway, our trade has been done, our target has been booked. So guys, it's back to 402.65, and as it is continuing to go higher, 403. So you can see a lot of volatility in the stock right now, and the market is recovering 0.53% down now. Okay, so almost 0.20% has been recovered, and Tata Steel is going higher. Okay, so it's going performing a very good stock today. So 403.5 high, 403.80. It might touch 404 in few seconds. Anyway, I've out of this trade and booked the profit. So right now, if you guys can see the time here, so it's almost like 9:40 now. Okay, so within 20 to 30 minutes, I was able to book the today's profit. So guys, yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover the losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.